Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner by Black+Decker. This covers up to rooms up to 700 square feet. Alright, so right here we have our Black+Decker 14,000 BTU. So they offered in several different sizes. You got the 14,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000, 12,000 BTU plus heat, 14,000 BTU plus heat. So this is the 3-in-1 portable air condition with a dehumidifier and fan. So first off, let's get into the box because this does come with the window installation kit. So first off, right here is your user manual, and you do get your remote control. It's got full function remote control, 3-in-1 AC fan and dehumidifier, top mounted touch controls with LED display. It cools up to 700 square feet at 61 at the coolest setting. So right here it just tells you about the controls on the remote control. So then you have your conditioner tips. So it's got setup, maintenance, off-season storage. So this is ready to use window kit that is included. So right here you do get the remote control. It does not come with any batteries, so batteries are not included. They take 2 AAA batteries. So this is what the remote control looks like. You've got your power on, your fan, your heating up, cooling down. You've got your timer, nightstand. You want to do Celsius or Fahrenheit. So right here is where you'll put in your batteries. Like I said, they are 2 AAA batteries. So this is easy movable from room to room with the handles on the side. See right here is the batteries, which is not included. You'll have to purchase those separately. So the dimensions are 17.1 by 28.1 width and 13.8 height. So that little part right there goes out the window. Here is the hose. And inside here you do get some sealant for your window so you can black out all the air that's coming in. I just used regular tape. And then you do get the drainage hose. So if it does collect water from the humidifier, this is the hose to drain it. So that's included, which is a great thing. And then the other part to the window. So like this is the hose that goes from outside the window to inside the air conditioner unit. It is flexible. You can see that it does flex out. So that's a good thing. And then this right here will go onto the back of the air conditioner, and that will go to the window, which I will show you later on in the video. So this does use a standard 110 with a ground wire. You do have your reset and test button, so if it doesn't work you can reset it. Your standard 110 plus a ground wire. So this is the unit itself, and then here is the window extensions. This is where that one part will go into. I'm going to go into this and show you how to install it. So you get, there's 2 in here. You can't break apart, I have to slide it down. And then you get another one right here. So if you're like myself who has tall windows, this is an awesome thing to have because it'll cover the whole entire window. And then this is the air conditioner itself. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the box. So this is what it looks like removed from the box. It's not as big as my last ones, but this is pretty good. This fits in my son's room with no problem. You've got your timer, you've got your fan, your up and down. You've got your humidifier and you got your power button. So this you can move up or down. And then you've got the sling on the side. So it swings back and forth in the back. If you wanted the swing option for the fan. So the set temperature is just right for this AC portable conditioner. The AC unit portable also has a slide out washable filter, auto water evaporation, and a 24-hour timer. So here's the back of the unit. It's easily to move with the caster on the bottom, the side handles, and a small air condition. This cooler is a nice 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner that can be moved from room to room. So if you have any water from the bottom to drain it, there's a little part on the bottom, and here's just your warning information. So now this right here, you can connect it to your hose so it doesn't hang down. And then I'm going to get the other part to slide it right in here in the back. This is where your hot air will blow. And then you do, like I said, you do have a thing that goes back here to clean it out. So now this right here, on the other one, all you have to do is slide it. Where my other ones, I had to twist it. So you would just take the flat part, not this side, but the other side. And it just goes right up in here. You slide it right there. And make sure it locks so it doesn't slide out. You can see the lock mechanism up at the top. And then you'll connect your hose, but before you put this in, I would recommend putting the hose together. So now here's the window unit. That one other part goes in that little space. You do get 6 little screws to screw these in to fit your window needs. It's got a large vented airflow outlet, which makes it cool to bypass. So here are these 6 screws. And trust me, my son's room gets super cold. So these windows are super high. But it does give you enough to cover the whole entire window. And then they do give you the thing to put in between so you can get rid of those holes. I just use regular tape. And this is what it looks like all set up, the hose. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and show you just how loud this is. So it's not super quiet. It is kind of noisy, but I like white noise in the background when we're sleeping, and as long as it keeps the house nice and cool, I would definitely say if you're looking for a nice portable air conditioner that cools off your room, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's nice and small. It fits in small bedrooms, RVs, dorm rooms, and everything you can think of. It's not super big and it's easy to move around.